Welcome to August 17 video newsletter. We've had a very good week last week, and I just want to basically start looking at the Dow Jones. We can see some type of range being established right now, and you know we definitely would have to go one way or the other. If I'm looking at the 60-minute chart right now, we had a big pop on the general market actually Friday afternoon. Now the QQQ is the same type of range right here. The SPY is the same thing. We're forming this. So essentially we need to get out of this range. During that time, doesn't mean that some stock cannot perform, because some of the sector will be acting differently, and we just need to look for the right one basically. KNDR is a stock that we obviously, you see the trading over there. That's a previous company, has nothing to do with the activity in the company right now. So let's look at this trading action we had last week. Pretty good. We entered at 13. The volume keeps coming in. It's pretty aggressive. Actually, at some point there was so many bids on the stock. I was just trying to move ahead to load up, and I was able to get even more on Friday. And I think this stock has the potential to go to, I was looking at it over the weekend doing some research, and probably go to the 50 cents, 60 cents. So we hold something. We definitely have a good winner right here. BHL now just did very good sign. Basically, for the first time, it didn't go lower, and at the same time, it's almost making a new higher high compared to the previous day. And on the 60-minute, we had this break, with good volume at the end of the day. So there's some buying and some push coming in. So we'll keep watching this one. AWSL keeps going up, and definitely looks good. It's in a power trend, so that's a great sign. Might pull back a bit, and I wouldn't mind accumulating some more. I think there's a good underlying story and company there. And trading wise, it's just a type of stock that keeps making new highs, so you stay in it. Not a fast mover, but once in a while it's good to have one like that. FRNTQ in bankruptcy, but you see this gap on Friday and then coming down. I was waiting for some sign, and if you get something like that, I'll just show you something. If you get a chart like that at the open and it just comes right off, right down, you just don't even think about getting in. It just you need to look at it real time. So NVSR also has some interesting, it's forming like a triangle formation right here. If we go and we can break this this downtrend, it would be potentially a good trade to entertain again. We already had like a very good trade on that one, almost 5 times our money, but I would just we're just waiting for another entry. OPSY, as I discussed, there's it's tough to enter in these big gap all the time, and it's coming back. Went under this. We'll see if it can establish some type of re-entry or an entry, because we're not able to enter on it. Nene just is not acting the way I would like, but you know what? It stays in the uptrend. We're over. The price is over where we entered, so that's still good. But I want to see some action there. It's just going up and down, so it's not my type. Right here, what we have is we have SPNG that basically is trying to go and break out of this this trend. I'll just draw this right there so you can see it. It's trying to break. If it does on good volume, then that's perfect. We'll re-enter on that one. Use a 60-minute chart to see where what will be the price that it will that would confirm the entry, right? CGLD, just because I spoke about it on Friday, but there's not much volume on it. It did went up, not on much volume again, so that's, but at least it did go up. But it's not, you know what, the more I look at it, it's kind of tough. It's really a tough stock to trade. Just all over the place. Like many gold stock actually. It's always difficult. There's a few good gold stock, but you need to see where gold is going as well. ZNG, I'll just make a small note on the gold market. Basically, you need to be able to trade it for a few, like over a long-term pattern in some case, and there will come a time, and I think it might come in the next few weeks, where gold will definitely be something in place. So we'll look at these stocks. So we just need to keep them on the watch list. Zhang never made a new higher high, and actually just barely made it, but no increase in volume, so it's not significant. Now I want to show you this trade because we talked about it a few weeks ago. I still have some call on it. Was the break of this trend line. I didn't go back to the archive to give you the exact time, but we had this break, and obviously it's been done on powerful move, and we're still in. It retraced and then came back. So on options, I'm a bit more relaxed as I trade them for many days, and sometimes 2-3 weeks at a time. I just take powerful move that can last. Now this one is an example of a stock that gapped very hard, gap down. Now it's trying to turn, and I'm looking at it on a 60-minute chart right now. If you can see, obviously everything is screwed up, all the moving average. But if you can look at this right here, that is a significant break, and if it goes up and it cleared this level, we could go like for $4, $5, $6, on there. Basically they need to repost the financial, so we'll see if that's stuck. But you just keep it on your watch list, okay? That's basically what I wanted to tell you. So on this, I wish you'll have a great week, and I think we will have one. One thing is we'll be all over KNDR if it start to move and rock and roll with some good volume. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.